In our conversation about names, you talk about the cultural stories around youth and how we view youth in our culture today. And you mentioned a sort of a predominant, largely negative story, and then also an alternate story. Can you flesh that out in this context a bit?
Sure. I mean, I think the dominant story that we've all heard at some point is that teenagers are hormone-driven, kind of like crazy people, and they're impulsive, they're irresponsible, and we just have to get them through this period. They just need to grow up. And then the alternative story is to say that teenagers are living through some of the most critical years of their lives. Their brains are growing and changing, as are their abilities. And it's important to walk with them through this time and engage them and help them to think about their values and their sense of themselves in the world.
Yeah, thanks. Which has a really different bearing on how we do ministry, right? If we buy into the former story, it's not about accompanying them, it's about hurry up and grow up, and we don't like where you are. Whereas in the alternate story, it seems much more kind and thoughtful to what might actually be going on under the surface.
Yes.
Yeah.